Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. In this video tutorial we will be learning about uh, functions. We talked about args, and today we will discuss about double star kwargs. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's create a new file, and I am going to save it with some name, whatever name you like. For example, we want to define a function that introduce ourselves. For example, define intro, and within this intro we pass kwargs kwargs with double star, and then we print the value of kwargs. Okay, so now in the program what I do is I just call this intro function, and within this introduction I say maybe f name equals to, for example, James, and last name L name, you can say L name equals to Smith, and country equals maybe Canada. Okay, so let's save this program and let's run it. You can see what we have done. We have defined an intro function, and it takes a dictionary as input, and we exactly don't know how many entries this dictionary should be having. So if you now what we are doing here on line number 9, we are calling this function that we have defined, and in this function I have defined its first name, last name, and country. And what I have done is I passed these values to this intro function, and it has printed it. Another way of printing it I could have done is, for example, I could say for key comma value in kwargs, and then print f string first of all key, and key got a value. So first of all it would take first name and print James, then last name, then Smith, and country, and so on. So the first name should be passed to key, and James should be passed to values initially, then last name should be passed to key, and then and so on. Kwargs dot items, if you remember. If you don't remember, you can see our previous videos regarding dictionary, and you can understand then what does this item means. Keys, values, we have defined it clearly. And don't worry, I will share this file with you, and you can access this file on my GitHub account, and you can use it on your own will. Now you can see first name James, last name Smith, and country Canada. Now again, if I wish to call this function again, because once the function is defined, you can call it as many times as you want. And now if I call, for example, I say uni is equal to quest, and province equals to maybe sin, and maybe continent equals to Asia. Now you see, first initially it should print this dictionary, and afterwards this dictionary. So let's execute it, and you can see here that uni quest, province Sindh, and country Asia. In this way you can use this kwargs method. What does it do? It takes a dictionary as input, and then you can manipulate data in whatever sense as you want. And I hope you got the point why we use double star when you need a dictionary to be passed on runtime, and you write single star for passing a tuple to the function. I hope this would help, and I am stopping here.